You are going to love the 2021 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, Bluetooth, trip computer, clock, fog lights, compass, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, brake assist, day-night rear view mirror. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.